Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. In this collection you see the beautiful 40 plus ideas of old age ladies haircuts designs. Haircuts look so amazing and so stylish, look so young and look so smart. Guys, if you are interested to look so smart and look so amazing and look so creative, then this collection and this channel is only for you. Top fashion and top related collection are available on my YouTube channel. How to look young, how to look beautiful, how to look creative, then this collection is for you. Amazing creative art, amazing creative haircuts look so beautiful, and I hope you enjoy my collection. The designs of haircuts are updated. 2022 trending ideas, top rated, trending, stylish, look so adorable, look so amazing. When you take any haircut, your personality is automatically changed. You look so beautiful and everyone appreciate you. So guys, if you like to my YouTube channel and if you are new on my YouTube channel, then this collection is only for you. So visit and like to my YouTube channel and share to my YouTube channel on daily basis with your family and friends. In this collection you see the approximately 60 to 70 plus designs of haircuts. Overage ladies who are interested to look so beautiful. Age is just a number, but your personality and your inner beauty depend on you. Thank you so much guys to appreciate top fashion collection. Related to top fashion collection, the designs of haircuts, the designs of each and everything related to fashion, only the updated, not the repeated. So thank you, keep watching my channel on daily basis, and guys, watch the video till the end. The video is not stop, but watch and share with your family and friends. So thank you, keep watching, stay with me, take care, bye bye.